G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. Just a quickie. Over the next few weeks there's not going to be many actual out in the bush or actual walking videos. A couple of videos back I was out walking and my actual ankle went over. Now normally I wear walking boots, but I was only wearing walking shoes this time. And this is all the more reason why, even if I do the shorter walks, I'm going to be wearing my boots. But it went over, the ankle did, had no pain. I thought, that's good, I've been lucky. But then about probably 7 to 10 days later, going down my shin on the inside of it, just above the ankle joint, about 3.5–4 inches, it started to swell up straight down the line by about 3/4 of an inch wide by 3/4 of an inch deep, and it was very painful. It felt like it was actually ripping. So the last week hasn't been the most comfortable. I got a doctor's appointment first, and they reckon it may end up being a hospital appointment because they're not sure if it's where the muscle joins the tendon then goes down around your ankle into your foot, or if I've done something else. And that was just over the phone, so I've got to go in. I've got booked for Friday coming, which is 5 days from the day of making this video. But there's an opportunity I may be able to get in 2 days, so fingers crossed, just to get it checked to make sure it's nothing serious. So if it is serious and I'm going to end up in a boot or anything like that, there's going to be no actual walking or bushwalking videos coming out. They'll probably just be on the spot or in here. So I just thought I'd give you advance there, and I'll keep you up to date with what it is. Now keep an eye out if you're walking, because even if you don't feel any pain on the day, like I said, this took 7 to 10 days for the pain to happen, and it's like a ripping pain. And instead of wearing my walking boots, I was wearing my walking shoes, which I think even on the short walks now I'm going to go back to wearing my walking boots all the time, and probably just wear the walking shoes for on the flat. Now I only bought the walking shoes so I can walk around doing stuff for work, not for bushwalking, but this one day I decided to give it a go and it didn't work out too well. So I'll keep you updated. There'll still be videos coming out. There's 2 more ready to come out after this video, which I've already made. So I hope you enjoyed those, and I hope to see you out there soon, and I'll hopefully be back on my feet. So until then, I wish you all the best.